أعوذ بالله من الشيطان الرجيم. بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم.
Assalamu alaikum to my fellow Muslim brothers and sisters, and greetings to all watching this video. The point of this video is to show that all the prophets in the Bible prayed as Muslims pray today. I'd just like to start by saying Islam is not a new religion. It literally means submission to the will of God. Islam is the only religion which is not named after a people, a place, or an individual. It is the religion of all the prophets, including Noah, Abraham, Moses, David, Jesus, and Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon them all, just to name a few. The Muslim practice of bowing, standing, kneeling, prostrating in worship is not foreign to past tradition. While many Christians and Jews find the images of Muslims in prayer to be peaceful or even awe-inspiring, some find the Muslim method of prayer to be odd. I'd just like to remind everybody, being a Muslim just means submitting to the will of God. It is from the hadith that Muslims derive their motto for how to live, love, work, raise children, eat, give charity, greet each other, pray, etc. The point here is, after having received the command from God to pray, Muslims look to the example of the Prophet Muhammad, peace and blessings be upon him, to learn how to pray. Were Christians and Jews to look to the examples of the Prophets, peace and blessings be upon them, given in the Torah and the Gospel, they would find themselves praying like Muslims. Here is my proof.
بسم الله الرحمن الرحيم الحمد لله رب العالمين الرحمن الرحيم مالك يوم الدين إياك نعبد وإياك نستعين اهدنا الصراط المستقيم صراط الذين أنعمت عليهم غير المغضوب عليهم ولا الضالين
If you ask me, why do I stand here so unafraid of everything around me? Proudly I would say I am a Muslim. If you ask her, why does she dress that way, all covered up in a world that gives it all away? Proudly she would say I am a Muslim. دين الإسلام ديني والعرض بغير ديني محمد اللي هديني نور الإيمان. دين الإسلام ديني والعرض بغير ديني محمد اللي هديني نور الإيمان. If you ask me, surely this cannot be. You give your wealth so free, and you say your life is charity. It ain't hard to see I am a Muslim. If you ask him, why does it hurt so when he sees injustice, even though it's folks he doesn't know? Tears in his eyes, he says, I am a Muslim. دين الإسلام ديني والعرض بغير ديني محمد اللي هديني نور الإيمان. دين الإسلام ديني والعرض بغير ديني محمد اللي هديني نور الإيمان. If you ask her, why doesn't she cry? There's no one by her side. She's the only one that's left behind. Patiently she sighs, I am a Muslim. If you ask him, why does he still pray 5 times a day when so many others have strayed? Smiling he would say, I am a Muslim. دين الإسلام ديني والعرض غير ديني محمد ولا أعظم غير الدين محمد اللي حديني نور الإيمان دين الإسلام ديني ولا أعظم غير الدين محمد اللي حديني نور الإيمان. If you ask me why do I love you, no matter where you are, we are the greatest ummah with the beating of our hearts. We are Muslims. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. There's no God but Allah. La ilaha illallah Muhammad al-Mustafa. Muhammad is his messenger. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. There's no God but Allah. La ilaha illallah Muhammad al-Mustafa. Muhammad is his messenger. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. There's no God but Allah. La ilaha illallah Muhammad al-Mustafa. Muhammad is his messenger. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. There's no God but Allah. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. There's no God but Allah. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. There's no God but Allah. La ilaha illallah Muhammadur Rasulullah. There's no God but Allah.
الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر الله أكبر أشهد أن لا إله إلا الله أشهد أن لا